beloved retiring Joint Director, Dr. Professor G. Yadgiri Garu, and all the people present here. Good evening to all of you. So at this moment, I would like to share some moments with present Joint Director and my principal from September 12 to January 16. So in this period, we had NAC in 2013. During that period, the total team worked from morning to evening and even in the late nights. But unfortunately, we could not get A grade. At that moment, I could see, after the announcement of the result, the sad face of the sir. So all of the people, you are remembering the smiling face, and I remember that sad face on that particular day. Even after that hard work, we could not get A grade. So there may be many reasons, but alas sir, but we worked for A, and sir at that particular moment also said that ఇంత పని చేసినాం సార్ రాత్రి పరుగులు కానీ ఏ గ్రేడ్ రాలేదు కాబట్టి మనమేం పడవద్దు ఫ్యూచర్లో మనం తెచ్చుకుంటామని చెప్పింది సార్ కాబట్టి సో యూ కెన్ సే ఈవెన్ ఇన్ వెరీ మూమెంట్స్ హార్డ్ మూమెంట్స్ హీ ఈజ్ విత్ ఏ పాజిటివ్ థింకింగ్ సో దెర్ ఆర్ మెనీ థింగ్స్ విచ్ ఐ కెన్ షేర్ బట్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పర్మిటింగ్ మీ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ గివింగ్ మీ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఐ wish a happy post-retired life to sir. And last thing I would like to say, people say that behind the success of every man, there is a woman. So I wish that, I feel that Madam also had a part in his success. So you are the woman behind his success. So I wish both of you a happy post-retired life. Thank you, one and all.